Hello, beautiful soul. If you've experienced narcissistic abuse, I want you to pause for a moment, place your hand over your heart, and take a deep breath in. Pause, and exhale slowly. You are here for a reason. You are searching for healing, for peace, and for self-love. You may have been told that you're not enough, that you're too much, or that your feelings don't matter. But that was never the truth. Today, we are releasing the past and stepping into a future filled with confidence, love, and healing. These affirmations for self-worth, healing, and empowerment will help you reclaim your inner strength and remind you that you are worthy of love and respect. Repeat after me. Let's begin. The past does not define you. You have survived, and now you are ready to thrive. Let's affirm. I release the pain, the gaslighting, and the self-doubt placed upon me. I am not responsible for fixing others. I choose to heal myself. I let go of toxic attachments and step into my power. My heart is healing, my mind is clear, and my soul is free. Psalm 34 verse 18 says, "The Lord is close to the broken-hearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." Healing is a journey. And every time you say these words, you are choosing peace over pain, love over fear, and faith over doubt. Take another deep breath in. Pause, and release the weight of the past. One of the most painful effects of narcissistic abuse is that it makes you question your value. But I want you to hear this. You are enough. You are worthy. You are lovable. No one has the power to take that away from you. Let's affirm. I am enough just as I am. I trust myself, my intuition, and my inner wisdom. I do not need external validation. I am already complete. My worth is not defined by anyone else's opinion of me. Romans 8 verse 37 says, "Nay, in all these things we are more than conquerors through him who loved us." You were never too much. And you were never not enough. The problem was never you, it was the toxic behaviors of someone who failed to love you correctly. But now, you are rewriting the story. Loving yourself means setting boundaries and choosing relationships that uplift and support you. I have the power to say no without guilt. I do not owe anyone access to my time or energy. My peace is sacred, and I will protect it. I attract relationships that are loving, kind, and safe. Isaiah 41 verse 10 says, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you." You are not obligated to keep toxic people in your life. Choosing yourself is not selfish. It is necessary. The stronger your boundaries, the more love and peace you create in your life. You were created for love, joy, and peace. Not manipulation, pain, and control. Let's affirm your self-love and confidence. I love myself fully and unconditionally. I am proud of who I am becoming. I choose to treat myself with kindness, patience, and grace. I am confident in my own skin, and I love the person I see in the mirror. Proverbs 31 verse 25 says, "She is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. Every time you choose self-love, you step further away from the pain and closer to the joy that is meant for you. You deserve peace, happiness, and a future filled with love. Your past may have been painful, but your future is full of love and light. Say these affirmations with me. I am ready to receive real, healthy love. I trust that the right people will enter my life at the right time. I am attracting relationships that bring peace and happiness. God is guiding me toward a future filled with love and abundance. Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." You deserve love. You deserve peace. You deserve joy. Your best days are still ahead. Trust the journey, trust yourself, and trust God. If these affirmations spoke to your soul, comment below, "I choose self-love." Hit the like button to affirm your healing and share this with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more self-love affirmations, healing guidance, and Christian encouragement. You are strong. You are loved. You are whole. I'm sending you light and love. Until next time, stay empowered and at peace.